Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Telegram by their username. Now, if you like to add someone, if you don't have the contact, well, first of all you have to do is, even if you do want to add someone by their username, you still need to have them in your contacts, or else you will not be able to add them. So in my case, I will just go ahead and open the Telegram application. So let's see, we have a specific person, right? You can go to the invite friend section over here. You should be able to invite some people to Telegram over here. But then if you want to search for a specific person by their username, you can tap on this search bar, and then let's say you can go ahead and simply type the username like this. You will only be able to see the results of a specific group or a result of a specific channels over here, and then you will not be able to find their username just like that. So as you can see, if I search for a specific person, these all are in my contacts. That's why I can search for their username, and then their name will show up basically over here. But if they are not in my username section or not in my contacts page, then I will not be able to go ahead and add them. The rest of the bottom searches are basically just channels and groups, so you just have to keep that in mind. So when you tap on this specific operation, you should be able to send him or her a message. So that's all it takes to ask someone on Telegram by their username. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.